Hey everybody, it's your girl Lavina and I am out door dashing. So I want to take y'all with me today. We have an order for 4 miles going to, I don't know exactly where we're going yet until I pick it up, but we're picking up the order from McAllister's Deli. So let's go over there. It was $8.25. I'm just getting off. I did a couple, one canceled. I was so mad, y'all. I was dropping off and took that order. Why they paid me, the lady canceled. It was a cash on delivery. Normally I get good tips when I do the cash on deliveries, but since she canceled, you know, DoorDash only pay you the bare minimum because I guess they know that, you know, you get tips or whatever. But they canceled it, y'all. Guess how much they gave me for going up there? I was too through, but I still remain positive like you gotta do. $1.50, y'all. I said, what, to that lady? I was like, what? Even though it was on my way back. But still, I still drove to the location, even though it was on my way, which way I was going anyway. So I didn't give her too much of a hard time. But I sure didn't fill out her survey. Okay, y'all, so I will see you guys at McAllister's. Let's get to it. Look, y'all, it's not too sunny in sunny Florida today. This is the summers here, though. You know, it'd be so cloudy. Let's go on McAllister's and get this order. One thing about McAllister's, though, I guess she's packing it, I don't know, but it's always a wait here. Yep, so I'll see y'all on the way out. All right, thank you. You too. Let's go. About to go ahead and drop this off. I'll see you guys at the location. Looking for extra money, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart, Amazon Flex. It's quite a few. Spark. You know, those are some viable options for you as long as you have a suitable background, suitable for them. You know what I mean? I got things in my background too, but I still DoorDash. I had all apps at one point in time. So yeah, I just wanted to come and tell you guys that really quickly. One thing about here in Florida, you guys, is we call the summer our winter because it's hurricanes, it rains like out of the blue. So be prepared. You know, if you ever visit in Florida, you're ever visiting, let me cut the AC on. If you're ever visiting Florida in the summer, and if you have ever visited Florida in the summer, you know this to be true. So that's one thing about living here. Besides the wildlife, we won't even get into that right now. That's a whole nother video. All right, see y'all at the drop-off location for real now. Okay, y'all, I did do that drop-off from McAllister's. However, come to find out, that block was the same block Jaden's friend live on, where they having an after-school, end of the school year party or whatever. And I had stopped over there and ran my mouth for a minute. So now we gotta pay a cash pay at the customer's house at Papa John's. We're gonna go get that. Okay, see y'all there. Y'all see these clouds? Man, it's about to rain. It's about to rain so bad. I don't know how bad, but I know it's about to rain. But that's not gonna stop me unless it just get crazy. I already know the order ain't ready because I see it. I mean, I see where the orders be. So we'll see if the order ready. Hi, a pickup for Paul. Okay, thank you. Yeah, they never ready either. All right, got this order. Okay, we reached the delivery address. Let's go get this money. Let's count the money. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53. Got a $10 tip. Let's go back to let's get to dashing. We're gonna pause dashing for a minute. I'm gonna stop at home because Jayden's spending the night at his friend's house. I know them very well. Okay, well enough. That's one of the people who they can spend the night. He can spend the night at, their house. So I'm gonna go get his PlayStation remote and get him some pajamas and some clothes for tomorrow because I get a break. Okay, so see you guys when I turn back the dasher back on. Okay, once I drop his clothes off and stuff and get back to it. So I couldn't get this last one, but we had a Walmart. I'll see when. I don't think I mentioned that we had a Walmart beer run. And it was raining so bad, like sideways rain, okay? So it's off and on with the rain, you guys. So I'm gonna try to get all my stops, but if not, because I really gotta focus on the road. It slowed up a little bit right now, but this was a $10.50 for a mile, 2 items, Walgreens for a 6-pack of Ultra Michelob and 1 20-ounce Dr. Pepper. So I'm gonna go deliver that, and this rain got me. I dropped Jayden's stuff off, so we'll see how the next one go. If I can get all that without, I'm wet, y'all. I am wet. I gotta get me an umbrella. So we're gonna see how it works out, okay? And if not, then we'll just be getting the footage we have, and I'll talk to y'all a little bit at the end. So all right, see y'all at the drop off. Y'all, we got that we got him dropped off. The app is still on, but what I wanted to tell y'all was so with that Papa John's cash on delivery order, what they do is they highly trusting, but I would hope people wouldn't blow their whole account for a couple of dollars. But you get the cash from the customer, and then they deduct it from your earnings. I just wanted to tell you guys that. Let's get back to dashing. Okay, you guys, we got a Chick-fil-A order for $6.72. Going 4 miles. Let's get to it. Okay, you guys, we are going to be approaching the drop-off location. It's clearing up. I hope it stay clear. Hopefully I'm gonna find me another phone holder, because I don't like the little it's an obstruction to y'all view. That's why I really don't put it on here like that. So we're approaching the drop-off location. we'll cut it off once we get to this location. What happened? Okay, so the address. Let me back up. Alrighty. Let's drop off these people's Chick-fil-A. Okay, let's get to the next one. Yeah, y'all, that little black part, I have to get me another phone holder. Oh, excuse me. I have to get me another phone holder because I just don't like the way that, you know, the obstruction in the view. So when I get that, we'll be taking more looks of, you know, look more like when y'all can see, you know what I mean, as far as when I'm driving. So maybe I can have Will try to bring it down a notch. All right, you guys, I'll see y'all on the next pick up and drop off. All right. Okay, you guys, we here at the Chick-fil-A drop off. Let's go drop off their food. So this area here is called Mount Verdi. It's like not far from my normal area. It's all like the same. But yes, this area here, you guys, gets very, very dark, okay, at night. So I try not to be all up in here because it's highly wooded. And you know, I just prefer not to be driving in highly wooded areas at night. And this Mount Verdi, it has the it's like a sports school here. A lot of people from all over the world, all other countries, they come here. This is where Sha'Carri Richardson and a lot of track athletes, they come here to train. And this is Mount Verdi. So let me see if I can get y'all a little glimpse. No, that's not gonna work, you know, because of the thing in the way, my phone holder in the way. So see y'all on the next pickup. Hey guys, I couldn't really finish showing all of you guys cause it been pouring. It was pouring down raining, y'all, today. And it just wasn't safe for me to record everything. It's raining now, like I just went through, it seemed like a tsunami. I don't know. But I couldn't really record all. So it is what it is. You know, I go back and get them tomorrow. I gotta work in the morning. So I will be getting up and doing a little dashing before my shift start. And after, because you guys, my goal is to be able to start with not owing nothing, like rent paid, you know what I mean, and everything for already have my some of my bills on auto pay. Well, my essential bills is on auto pay. So I did figure that out. So I'm happy about that, and I'm excited. That's why I don't want to have to wait to next week or anything like that. I want everything to be done by Sunday, and we looking really good for that to happen, and I'm excited about that. Yeah, so I'm kind of tired, y'all. So that's what I did in DoorDash. I'll take a screenshot of my earnings and post it in the video. So you guys have a good night. Sorry I couldn't get all the footage of all my dashing for today because of the weather, but I did want to make a video. I want to get in the habit of making those kind of videos too, and hopefully budget shopping, grocery shopping videos too, guys. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Peace.